Hi friends, today we see linear equation in two variables. Okay, what is linear equation in two variable? We solve this by using elimination method, graphical method, and today we solve it by determinant method, or it is also called Cramer's rule. This is from standard 10 chapter number first, linear equation in two variable, and find the solution of linear equation by various method. We first see practice set 1.1 and 1.2, solve by elimination method and solve by graphical method. Today we see solve linear equation by determinant method. Okay. Now what is the linear equation? Suppose a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. These are called linear equations. X and y are the two variables. Hence, it is called linear equation in two variable. Hence, these are the two variables x and y. And a1, b1, c1 are the coefficients. Okay, these are coefficients with variable x and y. This is a standard form of linear equation. Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay. Now we solve it by determinant method. What is determinant? Suppose we denote determinant by capital letter D and find the solution of determinant by A1, A2, B1, B2. Okay, A1, A2, B1, B2. Now, how to solve it? Solve it by cross multiplication. Here we write coefficients of x and y. Here coefficient of x is a1 and coefficient y is b1. With x a2 and here y b2. Okay, this is called determinant. By solving it we find the determinant of these linear equations. Okay, now how to solve it? Suppose we have given the determinant 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, this is determinant. Solve it by cross multiplication. Multiply 2 into 1. 2 into 1 minus multiply 3 into 4. 3 into 4. 2 into 1 2 minus 12. Okay. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. Okay. Very easy. This is method for solving the determinant. Only we can do cross multiplication. 2 into 1 2. 3 into 4 12. 2 minus 12 minus 10. This is determinant. And denote it by capital letter D. Okay. This method is also called Cramer rule. Determinant method is also called Cramer's rule. When we find determinant for x, it's called dx, determinant of x. C1, C2, B1, B2. Okay, this is for determinant for variable x. A1x plus B1y is equal to C1. Here A1, A2, A2x plus B2y is equal to C2. The coefficient with x, A1 and A2, these are not present in dx. Only C1, C2 and B1, B2. Okay. This is dx. And for dy, with dy, we write B1, B2. Coefficients with y variable is B1 and B2. Hence, we can't replace here B1, B2. We take here A1, A2 and C1, C2. This is formula for dy. This is for dx and this is for dy. Okay. Now, we write the formula for x. How to find x? X is equal to dx upon d. Value of dx divided by value of determinant d, we can find x. Okay, dy upon d. For y we can find dy, then find d, and y is equal to dy upon d. Okay, this is understand with the example. Okay, very easy part. Here in our book, first we have given activity. In this activity, we have given the equation 2x plus y is equal to 19 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3. This is activity. Okay. Now compare this equation with our standard form of equation a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Okay, compare a1, right here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1 and b2 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 19 and c2 is equal to minus 3. Okay, a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 1, b2 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 19 and c2 is equal to minus 3. Now first we find determinant D. Determinant D. Capital D. Determinant D is equal to a1, a2, b1, b2. Our formula is a1, a2, b1, b2. D is equal to, what is a1? 2, a2, 2, b1, 1, b2, minus 3. Okay. Cross multiplication. 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6, minus 2. Minus 6, minus 2. Here, minus 6, minus 2 is equal to minus 8. Okay. Minus 2, minus 6 is equal to minus 8. Now, find dx. Dx is equal to C1, C2. C1, C2. Our C1 is 19 and C2 is minus 3. And B1, B2. Our B1 is 1 and B2 is minus 3. Okay. Now 19 into minus 3. 19 3s are 57. Here minus sign. Yes, we write here minus 57. 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus minus plus 3. Minus 57 plus 3. Our answer is minus 54. Now we find dy. What is the formula for dy? A1, A2. What is our A1, A2? 2, 2. And C1, C2. C1, C2, 19 and minus 3. Now, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. And 19 into 2, 38. Minus 6, minus 38. Minus 6, minus 38, minus 44. Okay. These are the value for d, dx and dy. Okay. Now we find x and y. We first write it. Okay. X is equal to dx upon d. What is the value of dx? Minus 54 and d is equal to minus 8. D is equal to minus 8. Here minus minus sign cancel. We can divide 54 by 8. Okay. We can divide it by 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 is 4. 2 7 is 54. Our answer x is equal to 27 upon 4. And for y is equal to dy upon y, dy upon d, sorry. dy is equal to minus 44 and our d is equal to minus 8. Here we also can't divide 44 by 8, hence we divide it by 2. 2 4 is 8 and 2 2 is 4, 2 2 is 4. 22 upon 4. Okay, 22 upon 4. Now we divide it by also 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Our solution is y is equal to 11 upon 2. Minus minus sign are cancelled here. Okay. Our solution, our x is 27 upon 4 and y is equal to 11 by 2. This is the solution of our linear equation. Okay. Now we see practice set 1.3. Fill in the blanks. First we have given 3, 4, 2, 5. Okay. And find the determinant. How to find determinant? By cross multiplication. 3 into 5 minus 2 into 4. 3 5 is 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Okay. Here we have given fill in the blanks. Okay. Our answer is 7. Now the next is minus 1 2 7 4. Find the determinant. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 7 2 is 14. Minus 4 minus 14 minus 18. Okay. Next 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. Okay. This is also not difficult. We only multiply, cross multiply. 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2 minus 5 upon 3 into 3 upon 2. Multiply numerator by numerator. 7 ones are 7. 7 ones are 7. 3 twos are 6. 5 threes are 15. 3 twos are 6. 15 upon 6. 7 minus 15 minus 8. Minus 8 upon 6. We also write it minus 4 upon 3. Divide this by 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. Hence our answer is minus 4 upon 3. Minus 4 upon 3. Now the next question is 3x minus 4y is equal to 10 and 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. These are two equations. Okay, now compare this equation with a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2. Write the values a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2. What is a1, a2? 3, 4. b1, b2 is equal to minus 4, 3. Okay, and c1, c2, c1 is equal to 10, c2 is equal to 5. First we find d. For d, we have right here for d a1, a2, b1, b2, a1, a2, a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, 3 minus 4, 4, 3. 3 threes are 9 minus 4 fours are 16. Here minus 4, hence minus 16. 9 minus minus 16 means minus minus plus 9 plus 16, 25. Our d is 25. Okay. Now we find dx. What is the dx? Dx is equal to 10, 5 means c1, c2 and b1, b2. 10 threes are 30. 30 minus minus 5 fours are 20. 30 plus 20, 50. Dx is equal to 50. Now dy. dy is equal to a1, a2. a1, a2 and c1, c2. 10, 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 10 4s are 40. 15 minus 40, 25. But here 40 is a greater number, hence size minus. Hence our subtraction is minus 25. dy is equal to minus 25. Now we find x and y. X is equal to dx upon d. What is the value of dx? 50. And what is the value of d? 25. 50 upon 25, our answer is 2. And y is equal to dy upon d. What is dy? Minus 25. Minus 25 upon 25, minus 1. Hence, our solution of linear equation xy is 2 minus 1. This is the solution of our linear equation. Okay, this is from practice set 1.3. In next lecture, we see practice set 1.4, how to solve the linear equations. Okay, bye.